Era Quiros. I met Intra December of 2000. It was introduced to me by an angel, GMD Eva Aradilios, when I had my alopecia areata. But that was not my blockbuster story. I've been taking the product for the after 2 years of taking the product, I was able to attend a presentation like this, and my life was never been the same again. I became um I had a I was not able to sleep when I saw the ladder of success. It says there that the presentation was for all the attendees who are who yung may maraming utang, and isa ako doon. And then the speaker said, if may utang ka ngayon, mangutang ka para maahon ka sa lahat ng utang. So I decided talaga na matapos na yung kahirapan ko. So, sabi doon na kung may gusto, maraming paraan, at kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. So, gusto ko nang tuldukan yung kahirapan ko. And after a week, I was able to borrow a credit card, and the rest was history. Latag na yung system. 60 days after, I became direct distributor. The following month, I became regional director, then executive director. 1 year, 7 months after, I became international marketing director, earning 237,000 a month. I had almost a million debt in credit card that I was able to pay. For the longest time, it was ballooned to almost a million because I was not able to pay not even the minimum payment. So, it is not that I don't have I don't want to pay, but I just don't have the capacity to pay at that time. And then my children were both in their elementary school. I really wanted them to finish their school, the school that I dreamed of. And since I lost my job in Duty Free Philippines, so my fear is not was that I won't be able to send them to the school that I dreamed of. But because I decided, when I saw the presentation, with this presentation, I just made a decision that I will do this business. I saying my upline, GMD Eva Aradilios, who was then an international marketing director, and who had I saw her check over a 500,000, and I said to myself, I also want that amount to be able to pay all my debts. And she said, just follow the system, don't reinvent the wheel, because God is so good that you had an alopecia areata because she wanted you to get out of salary, because profit is always better than wages. And we have this franchising system there that is ironed out already. Just follow it. So true enough, after 4 years of becoming national marketing director, I became international marketing director, earning more than 500,000 a month. And when I became a global marketing director, it was then that I earned 1 million, and I am now a consistent more than 2 million earner. In fact, the during our national gala last 2020, February of 2020, I was awarded as the second highest income earner. And thank God that I made the decision of January 7 of 2002 that I will join Lifestyles. My children are now all professional. Because they saw me in this lifestyles business. My youngest daughter is now an international marketing director, and just had blessed her brand new house. No, so travels, we were able to go to places, 8 countries in Europe. We were able to go to Holy Land just recently before the pandemic, and was able to go to UAE. But the best take out in this business is the person that I become in this that I become, because the personality growth cannot be paid by money. No, so we all prayed for a better um that we can be augment our salary can be augment. But this opportunity in front of you right now, may you will put it in your heart and mind. Go instant direct, and let us all go at the top. Thank you and God bless us all.